one man, one vote. Are the right people being allowed to vote? Are fake people being added to the voter list? And is the voter list true or not? We need to understand what is going on, because what we love so much, our democracy, doesn't exist.
महाराष्ट्र में क्या हुआ, कर्नाटक में हमारे सेंट्रल कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में एमपी का जो चुनाव हुआ, जिसके वोटर्स कैसे बदले गए। 10 बाय 10 के घर में रूम में अगर 90 लोगों का वोटर लिस्ट होता है और महाराष्ट्र में एक हॉस्टल में अगर 9000 वोटर्स होते हैं, तो आप समझिए ये क्या इलेक्शन कमीशन है, क्या ये मोदी जी की कठपुतली है। आप देखिए सर, स्पेशल इंटेंसिव ड्राइव के नाम पर लाखों गरीब, दलित, आदिवासी और अल्पसंख्यकों के वोटर लिस्ट से हटाया जा रहा है। लोकतंत्र की हत्या।
We have such proof that will show the whole country that the institution of the Election Commission does not exist. And you will see the shockwave that is going to go through the electoral system when we release this data. It's literally like an atom bomb. Now we have concrete 100% proof of Election Commission allowing cheating in a seat in Karnataka. Not 90%. When we decide to show it to you, it is 100% proof. We just looked at one constituency and we found this. And I'm absolutely convinced that constituency after constituency, this is the drama that is taking place. If 15 seats were rigged, he would not be the Prime Minister of India. The Election Commission vote चोरी में involved. किसके लिए करा रहा है, किसके लिए करा रहा है? बीजेपी के लिए करा रहा है. I want to send a message to Election Commission. Yes, sir. If you think you're going to get away with this, if your officers think you're going to get away with this, you're mistaken. You're not going to get away with it, because we are going to come for you.
Eligible voters in the voters list are removed. Some new people are included in the voters list. That means to say they are not the voters of the country. That is what Rahul Gandhi ji raised this question in the parliament and outside the parliament.
My leader will come and explain. I don't want to come out with the detail. We have made a research. We are not sitting quiet. We have made a research on that. So that is why my leader, though this is one of the important state and city, he wanted to come and he has made a research on that. He is not just coming for a political purpose. We want to educate the people of this country and Karnataka what went on, even at the time of parliament. We know that we might have lost an election, we might have won election. We want to save democracy. We don't want the election commission to be a part of a political process.
My family has taught me that the most cowardly thing you can do ever is be scared of a coward.